Hello, guys. The topic we are going to discuss is defamation and privilege. Introduction. Every person has an inherent personal right to his reputation and to see that it is not violated. If therefore a person makes a statement, oral or in written, calculating to expose one of the hatred, contempt, or ridicule or to injure him in his trade or business, he will be considered to have committed a tort and liable for it in the court. It is just in them a right good against all the world. Defamation and privilege means hurt the reputation or fame or hurting the physical or mentally torture or hurting the fame of a business or a trade. If any person makes unlawful discussion or in orally or in a written statement that affects another person's business reputation, another person's reputation, or make him mental torture, then it is a right to the person that he can be committed a tort and liable for it in the court. Wrongs affecting reputations are libel and slander. Both are called by one name of defamation and are of two forms of defamations. Meaning of defamations. According to Backlash Dictionary, a false written or oral statement that damage another reputation. It clearly states that written or oral statement that affects the reputation or damage the reputation of another person or person's business, then as a law, according to the law, a tort is committed and it can be in the court. And definition of defamation according to Underhill. Defamation is the publication of a false and defamatory statement concern another with just cause of excuse whereby he suffer injury to his reputation. Kind of defamation. According to the English law, defamation is of two kinds, that is, libel and slander. Essentials of the statement of the defamation. There are some essentials that is necessary to be the defamation law. First of all, written statement. It is essential that the statement should be in the written form and either written or in oral, both can be done, but it is easy to prove a person defamated in front of law if a statement is in the written. Or you can also have a statement, should have a statement that is broadcasted or saved in mobile as a video. Second statement must be defamatory. The statement that is given by the person to another person should be defamatory and it causes the damage in the reputation of the person. Statement must refer to the plaintiff. Statement should be directly cause harm in the reputation of the person or person's business. Statement must be published. Statement published means making known the matter of some person that the plaintiff. It is a publication and not mere speaking or written or defamation work which is the gist of the wrong of defamation. Thus, no action may be maintained for libel and slander unless there is publication. Statement must be false. And statement should be falsely written by the person that caused the damage of reputation of persons or person's business. Otherwise, it cannot be defamation. No lawful excuse. There are defamatory statement which is published should not have any unlawful excuse behind it. If any force of law or excuse was behind the material, that will not be a tort. So these are the defamation and some type of essentials and meaning of defamation.